Hello everyone and welcome back for another Motivational Monday. I am David Lewis and I truly appreciate the opportunity to be with you today on video. We all know how important it is to keep our word to others and fulfill any promises we have made. Honesty is the best policy, and we certainly want to be honest with others, including the people who come to us when they're in the market for what we have to offer. Sometimes, though, we fail to keep promises we make to ourselves about what we are going to do to achieve the success we want to experience in life. We commit to goals and plans that will take us where we want to go, but are inconsistent in carrying them out or fail to finish what we started, even though they were good plans that would have worked for us had we carried them through to the finish line. Being faithful to yourself and fulfilling the commitments and promises you make to yourself is very important, or maybe more important than the ones you make to others. It is maintaining your own well-being and building yourself up in what it takes to be your best that equips you to be of any real benefit to others. What you want to accomplish and how you go about doing it requires a commitment to learning, self-improvement, appropriate rest, proper eating habits, and setting and keeping daily goals that will keep you on pace for what you want to achieve in your career and life. The better you take care of yourself and maintain your own mental, physical, and emotional health, the better you will be at helping your customers and clients accomplish their goals when they come to you for help. So, what promises have you made to yourself to better equip you for the success you want to achieve? Keep them and you'll be better off, and your customers will be so as well.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.